What's up guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about the ATH token. Going to be giving a bit of a price prediction based on where it is now and where I think it could be going when we hit full-blown bull. By full-blown bull I'm talking BTC positive of 80,000K, which is definitely a possibility this year still in 2024 with the current Federal Reserve in the USA cutting rates. Now, as for the project Aethir, guys, I actually myself own 5 of the Aethir edges here, and these devices are actually what go ahead and actually mine the ATH token. Now, what I really like to do before I take my time to actually invest in a project like this is do my thorough research, go through the white paper, that kind of thing. But white papers are often very long and monotonous. Well, there is a solution to this now, guys, and they are the sponsor of today's video. We are talking about Chain Clarity, guys. I absolutely love this AI utility, guys. It's essentially helping people understand white papers in a more efficient manner using AI technology. So I'm going to go ahead and use Chain Clarity in today's video to give you a bit of an understanding of why I am personally so bullish on ATH token. As we can see here, Chain Clarity breaks it down and gives an Aethir introduction. Aethir is a cloud computing infrastructure platform designed to transform how enterprise-grade graphical processing units, aka GPUs, are owned, distributed, and utilized. This is done by leveraging decentralized ownership and collaborative operations. Aethir aims to optimize GPU usage for compute-intensive applications like AI, machine learning, aka ML, and cloud gaming. Now folks, as you can see, this Aethir introduction here is quite a digestible paragraph here, whereas the white paper version is actually a bit longer than this, and it's going to take a bit longer, but it's going to be full of a lot of unnecessary jargon for those who just want to get in quickly and just don't have a lot of time to spare. Now, of course, if you're in the industry quite deeply like myself, maybe you do have an hour or two to go ahead and read through a white paper, but there's a lot of people that maybe have just heard about ATH token, they work a 9 to 5, or maybe they're working 70 plus hours a week. They don't have 1 hour to give to reading a white paper. Maybe they only have 15-20 minutes. Well, Chain Clarity is able to do that here. It gives you all the information about the project, like for example, what do they do? So as you can see here, description, what does Aethir do? The problem, why is Aethir being developed? Let's have a read of that. Aethir is being developed to address the significant scarcity of high-performance GPUs, which are critical for AI development, gaming, and other technology sectors. This scarcity has resulted in high costs and difficulty in procurement, impacting various industries reliant on these technologies. Now, as we kind of touched on already, in terms of the use cases for the ATH token, guys, we're talking AI applications, cloud gaming, which was mentioned, and also virtualized compute. It also takes us through things like the Aethir tokenomics, token utility and distribution, key Aethir characteristics, and the glossary of terms. They've also got a section here which I really like, which is what Aethir is like, to give you an example of how you could compare it with something maybe that already exists, not even necessarily in Web3 or crypto. So for example here, non-crypto examples, I love that. Amazon Web Services, similar to AWS in providing cloud computing resources, but it's decentralized as opposed to AWS being centralized. And it's also very similar to Uber. Obviously, they're not working with cars, but like Uber and how it aggregates idle cars together, Aethir aggregates idle GPUs for a shared economy. So for example, me here in Thailand, I've got my 5 devices, all right, so I can personally decentralize the network by being in Thailand, a part of Southeast Asia, okay? So that is what decentralizes the actual miners themselves. And then me being here, I'm able to use my 5 miners, the GPU contained within those, to connect to the internet and provide a resource from here. I'm lending out my fast internet connection here to help support that GPU lending in that decentralized manner. I also like that it doesn't shy away from going into a bit of scrutiny as well about the project. So some critical analysis and red flags here. Additionally, the white paper could be more explicit about the technical specifications and scalability issues, like a lot of projects. Then it gives a nice little takeaway section here, folks. So decentralized GPU cloud, innovative consensus mechanisms, layer 2 ARB, comprehensive tokenomics. So as you can see here, folks, this was very digestible, very easy to read, and we covered it all really just in a few minutes, whereas a white paper, just going through it traditionally, would have definitely taken a lot longer. And unless you're honestly like a developer or someone that really wants to get in there and understand all those technical words and technical jargon and really read deep into like the contracts and everything like that, often it's unnecessary. So I really do think that Chain Clarity are filling a pretty cool gap in the market. Now, if you do want to go ahead and get signed up for Chain Clarity, guys, I'll leave a sign up link. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a sign up link at the top of the description of this video. You should go ahead, give them a follow and get signed up so you can start researching your own projects too. And what's really cool here is they've got Quai, an actual chatbot. Okay, so they've got their AI chatbot if you've got any further questions about the actual project itself. So for example, we can type in what is Aethir. What is Aethir, guys? And it gives us what is Aethir. It gives us the key features, which we already discussed there, and the mission and the vision there as well. So really cool. I think that chatbot is going to actually get a little bit smarter as time goes on, as it goes through its continuous machine learning processes, gets more data, okay, from more input from users and things like that, but are at a really cool point here to really start off this really cool utility in this project. Alrighty guys, so the ATH token, the actual price today is up 7.7%, just sitting under 7 cents. As we can go ahead and see here, the current market cap valuation is around about, if we round it down just slightly, 250 million US dollars. So we'll call that a $250,000, even though we're more at 270, all right? So really, a 4x from here is going to put us at around $1 billion market cap, guys. So honestly, I think worst case scenario, within the next 6 months to 1 year, we're going to see a minimum of a 4x on the ATH token. So that's not too bad if you ask me. So that's going to put us between maybe around the 24 to 26 cents price range for ATH. But mind you, guys, that is honestly my kind of bearish scenario. 4x worst case, but this could really go an 8 to 16, maybe even a 20x best case if we get a full bull scenario, if you know what I mean. Alrighty guys, that's all for today's video, talking about chain clarity and using that to actually talk about one of my favorite projects I love so much that I'm currently invested in, the Aethir token, guys. Really love this project. Love the way that chain clarity is able to break down the white paper and help me understand this project as well as a lot of others a lot more simply. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, guys, smash the like button, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it as well. We'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.